There's a lot of hype with 5G, then the reality of what it will bring. It will impact people's lives very broadly. But how? I'm Daisy Ju, the 5G lady. In the industry, everybody calls me that. I've been in the 5G business since 2012. Most people know that 5G is fast, but 5G delivers three things to consumers: speed, cloud computing, and HD video. Put together, it's very powerful. 5G is 10 times faster than 4G. When consumers see the speed of 5G, they want it. So the first killer application is the speed test. It sounds funny, but it's the first application people get excited about with 5G. The speed of a 5G allows your device to be constantly hooked to the huge processing power of the cloud. You can do a lot with 4G, but you need a 5G speed to use computers in the cloud. That may be hundreds of miles away from where you are. And the other key part of a 5G is high-resolution video. Mobile phones already have great cameras, but you can't share HD video in real time or watch TikTok in HD. That's coming by the way. High-definition TikTok, YouTube, and so on. 5G will bring that soon. 5G will simplify healthcare. Instead of waiting 2 hours to see a doctor for 2 minutes, you will be able to set up a remote consultation. For this to work, you need HD video, and 5G provides that. That way, you don't spread or catch contagious diseases. And it encourages patients to consult a doctor while their problem is still small. We are talking with several universities about deploying 5G on campus. The schools want to enhance the student experience with virtual reality, holographic projections, and providing remote education in HD video. The speed of a 5G and the power of a cloud computing simplify VR and makes it cheaper. Headsets become smaller and lighter with 5G, and they simply connect into a 5G phone. The VR market is about to take off. Over 7 million VR sets shipped out in 2019, but we are expecting 40 million sets in 2023. This will lead to more apps coming on the market. Another thing that's really taking off even sooner than VR is 5G cloud gaming. 4G smartphones can't handle the more complex games. Those need a gaming console or computer. Cloud computing solves that. Network operators are optimizing high-end AAA games for mobile gaming, and when you save, it's in the cloud. That means you can start a game on the computer and continue it on the smartphone. Those are some of the things we can already expect from 5G for consumers in the near future. But there's a lot more we can't imagine. Few people saw that 4G would give rise to the sharing economy with apps like Airbnb, Uber, and the bicycle share schemes. 5G will improve our lives in predictable and unforeseen ways. At Huawei, we provide the connectivity that makes it possible. Going to the airport makes many people think of waiting in lines and being left alone among strangers. 5G changes this. Visual recognitions allow passengers to zip through check-in and other lines. And airport staff can offer passengers immediate attention. My name is Daisy Ju. Everyone calls me the 5G lady. I really don't mind. I've been in the 5G business since 2012, before it was known what 5G was. 5G is many things, but for businesses, what matters is the speed, low latency, and that it supports a high density of machine connections. It enables instant access to cloud computing, and it also allows transfer of HD video in real time. Many businesses are adopting 5G to improve the customer experience. This doesn't require a big investment. So services like travel, retail, and healthcare are among the first to adopt 5G. Chinese shopping malls are using 5G. If you go looking for sports shoes, you can quickly see on your phone all the shops and their promotions. And you can ask a 5G robot to take you to the shop. Children love that. With 5G, shops can offer better service with fewer staff. For example, an AI that analyzes visual patterns could detect when the customer needs assistance. In addition, Shelves with the sensors can alert staff when items are out of stock. This reduces lost sales. Healthcare is slow to adopt new technologies, but it's different with 5G because it's so compelling. Healthcare uses a lot of high-resolution images. These often need to be transferred from a GP to a specialist, for example. 5G does that easily. This enables hospitals to reduce costs and doctors to offer better care. 5G also makes it simpler to remotely keep track of at-risk patients. Sensors can constantly monitor blood sugar, heart rate, body temperature, or whether a patient fell and didn't get up. 5G is designed for machine connections. It's more reliable than 4G or Wi-Fi. The investment for 5G in manufacturing is a bit more, but gradually, factories will use 5G to improve their processes and better control what happens on their site. For instance, by combining AI and a high-definition video, plant managers can use object recognition to automatically keep track of their parts and tools. This can be really helpful in a large site like an aircraft maintenance facility. 5G will soon boost the capabilities of automated vehicles. Connected with 5G and fitted with sensors and cameras, the cars will be able to move very fast and safely. They could also handle complex jobs like teaming up with other cars to carry big loads. These are some of the benefits that I expect 5G will bring to industry in the near future. IHS Markit completed a study last year that predicted that 5G would add 13 trillion to global GDP by 2035. 5G networks are being rolled out around the world a bit faster than expected. So we are on track.